Hello everyone, I am Sabro Adunya with your morning news roundup for Monday, November 3, 2025. Let's get started. Global business and markets. Global financial markets remain on edge as the OPEC Plus group agreed to pause planned oil production increase in early 2026 amid concerns of supply glut. As a result, oil prices ticked up, with analysts at Morgan Stanley raising their forecast for Brent crude. At the same time, the Eurozone's manufacturing sector stacked in October, with the PMI coming in at 50.0, showing essentially flat growth. Middle East and regional security. In the Middle East, the Palestine group Hamas has handed over the remains of the 3 more Israeli hostages to the International Committee of the Red Cross under the terms of ceasefire deal with Israel. Meanwhile, in Saudi Arabia, a nationwide emergency alert drill is scheduled. Mobile phone alert plus sirens will sound across several regions at 1 p.m. local time to test the country's warning system. That's all for today's major headlines. If you found this update useful, please subscribe, like and share. I am Sabro Adunya and I will be back with your next news update. Stay safe and stay informed. Thank you for watching.